If you know 6 Mile Cove, then you know this home. Here's a rare opportunity to purchase this custom-built lake home right here off Anemone. This amazing kitchen and dining area, designed with high-end appliances, top-of-the-line cabinetry, is a kitchen where your friends and family are going to call, "I hope you're hosting Christmas dinner this year." After a fun day on the lake, you want your own area to retreat to. This primary bathroom envies any 5-star hotel suite, featuring 2 double vanity sinks, 2 separate stool areas, and an amazing walk-in closet with private laundry. No need to worry about stairs here. This room is one of the current owner's favorite rooms, and this is why. If you love to entertain like I do, then you'll appreciate this second kitchen, complete with a game area over here, pub tables for evening cocktails, and then go ahead and grab yourself a thing of popcorn and settle down for a movie. The 5th bedroom offers endless possibilities. Huge bonus, storage. I'm telling you, do not miss this opportunity to own this amazing estate home here in 6 Mile Cove.